Seruvavila Mangalaraja Mahavihara is an ancient Buddhist temple located in the Trincomalee district of Sri Lanka. It is identified with the historic Tissa Mahavihara. This sacred site was constructed by King Kavantissa in the 2nd century BCE. It enshrines to revered relics of Gautama Buddha. There are the forehead relic and the hair relics. You can see the elephant dance in the procession in this year. The temple can be accessed by land or sea. We will bring a separate video about the temple later.
ऐतिहासिक विहाराधिपति අපේ ගෞරවනීය මහානායක මාහිමිපාණන් වහන්සේ.
We are going to end the video until we will meet again in a video like this. Goodbye.